Hello everyone. So this is day 6 of encapsulation. So today we will see about this method. So let's get started. So here we'll take a class. This is day 4 and the name of the class day 4 and constructor. Now I will give a main method. Okay. So here we will create a class 2. We'll take a 3 variable. Now we will take a constructor. We will understand this with the memory diagram. So here we have given a Sundar name. So here I will give a different name. And I will give and the number also different. Okay. So here is the code. So here we know that execution control start from the main. Okay. When an instance of the cust2 class is created using the new keyword, this result in the creation of new object in the heap with instance variables cid, cname and cnum which are assigned default values means 0, null, 0. Now we will understand with the memory diagram. Execution starts from the main method where an instance of cust2 class is created using the new keyword. This results in the creation of new object in the heap with instance variables cid, cname and cnum which are assigned default value. Okay, so while we are creating the object, giving here reference C and the instance variable with the default value is 0, null and 0. Okay, default value. Now this is the parameterized constructor. Control then transferred to the parameterized constructor. So these are the value 1, Sunny and this number. From here it will go here. So now the value will change as 1 and the Sunny. Okay, and the number. This number 5788954. I am writing it. You can understand 574. This number. Okay, it will come here as an argument. Now here is a this method. In the previous class, we have learned about this keyword, but this is a this method. What is the work of this method is it calling the next constructor in the same class only. Means it is in the same class cast2 and sorry if the arrow is not here it will be here. Okay, check. So this is the method. It is a zero parameterized, so it will call the zero parameterized constructor. So now what is the value of cid 1 and the c name is Sundar and the c num is this number. First the value came here, so the value become 1 Sunny and this number 57884 88954. Now this method call the zero parameterized constructor and the inside the zero parameterized constructor the value is 1 Sundar, so it will take this value only. So now the value is 1. Now the value is Sundar. So here Sundar and the number is this. We'll copy this number. Okay, will not copy this number. So the output should be 1 Sundar and this number. Now we will see what is the output. I will save this code 1 Sundar and this number. So this is the output. I hope you understand. Thank you.